In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. My brand of peace. Pag sinabi nating branding, hindi porke kapayapaan, pare-pareho. Parang pag bumili na kang kotse, hindi lang pare-pareho, may brand yan. Pag bumibili ka ng bag, hindi pare-pareho yan, may brand yan. It's branding that makes the difference. The Lord has His own brand of peace. Even His own sense of love. I love you. And love one another just as I have loved you. The brand of love. This time Jesus speaks about His brand of peace. Peace not from finances. That's another brand. Mapayapa ako, marami akong pera. Peace from power. Not peace from power. I am already in power. I'm just elected. I'm already peaceful. Or maybe peace that comes from strength. Kung nagkasakit ka. Or peace from military might. We are so powerful. Sabi nga ng isang Chinese general, peace comes from the barrel of the gun. When somebody stronger than you, how can you be peaceful? Or sense of peace out of success. I am successful. Kung hindi ka na successful, I am peaceful because I have affluence, abundance, or affirmation. Pinapalakpakan ako, na-promote ako. I have sense of peace. Because this kind of peace are not from the Lord. Because there is more about this. They could be lost. Pwedeng mawala. Pwede ngayon successful ka, next year hindi na. Pwede ngayon champion ka, next year hindi na. Pwede ngayon, manager ka pag nag-retire ka, hindi na. But there's kind of peace from within. A peace that is independent. Not dependent of my success, my material possessions. Maganda naman po ito. Go and work for this. But you have a sense of peace independent from the world. Not just as the world would give you. Jesus tells us, my peace is quiet. It is spiritual. It is secured. It is internal. It is calm. It's confident. So that do not let your hearts be troubled. You don't even have to fight for your peace. Sa kapayapaan mo, may pera, walang pera, malakas, may sakit, bata, matanda, nanalo, hindi nanalo. When you kind of have the peace, is something that is constant. The brand of peace. Parang mas maganda yata kung we can see the Hebrew source of Jesus when He talks about peace. Sa seminary namin noon, mayroong isang poster. Ang poster na ito, nakalagay, Shalom. Tapos dun sa Shalom, ang nakalagay, malaking waterfalls. Hindi ko na maalala yun kasi seminarista pa ako. Tapos yung sa waterfall, siyempre, lakas-lakas ng tubig. Tapos may malit na twig. Alam mo po yung malit na, parang malit na halaman lang na lumabas. Tapos shalom, sabi niya. Paano shalom to? Malakas na waterfalls. Ang ingay-ingay, very powerful. Tapos mayroong isang twig, buhay na buhay. Tapos sabi niya, shalom, the Hebrew word that means peace, serenity, harmony, calmness, wholeness, completeness, and tranquility in the midst of tribulations. That's the brand of peace the Lord gives us. You can be going through your crisis. Ako, I'm going through my physical therapy. Naggagamot po ako. But it's God to have peace in our hearts. That we are not afraid. Shalom. The brand of peace of the Lord. And God bless us all. The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.